Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Alia Balkis and I'm from the IUB1C. So our topic is elasticity. Elasticity refers to the responsiveness of one variable to change in another variables. In economics, it is commonly used to measure how the quantity demanded or supply of a goods respond to change in price. So for the question 1, first I will read the question. Suppose the quantity demanded of a product rises from 200 units to 240 units when the price drops from RM10 to RM7. Use the appropriate formula to determine the price elasticity of demand for the consumer and classify the demand for this product. To determine the price of elasticity, we can use the following formula. ED equals to percentage quantity demanded divided by percentage of price. I got 20% divided by negative 30% equals to negative 0.67%. Based on the calculation, the price elasticity of demand is negative 0.67. Since the absolute value of elasticity is 0.67 is less than 1, we can classify the demand of this product is inelastic. This means that the quantity demanded is not very responsive to price change. A price decrease leads to a smaller percentage increase in quantity demanded. So I will show you an example for the graph. For the graph, the demand curve would slope downwards from the left to right, indicating the as price decrease, quantity demanded increase. Since demand is inelastic, the curve would be relatively steep and showing that the percentage change in quantity demanded is less than the percentage change in price. For the conclusion, the demand for this product is inelastic, as indicate the price elasticity of demand of 0.67%.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Ashraf Ridwan. I will handle the question number 2. Let's proceed. The price of the smartwatches get decreased from 700 to 600. Meanwhile, the quantity goes down, quantity supply smartwatches goes down from 600 to 250 units. So after I make the table, you can see from the slide, and I already make the equation. You can see 250 minus 600 and divided by 600 and times by 100, and you can get the percentage of the quantity supply. So let's calculate for the price. So we got 500 for the new price and minus by 700 is the old price. So after make the sum, and then we need to divide by 700, it is the old price again, and times by 100, and you can get the percentage of the price. So this is not finished yet. So for to get the elasticity, we need to divide from the quantity supplied and divide by the price. So negative 58.33 divided by negative 28.57, and the total is negative 2.04. So what is the type of the elasticity? Yes, it is elastic. Why it is elastic? Since the value of it is greater than 1, the supply of smartwatches is elastic. This means that a small change in price leads to proportionally larger change in quantity supply. Let's proceed with the slide. So as we can see, the price of the smartwatches decreased from 700 to 500. Meanwhile, the quantity of smartwatches decreased from 600 ringgit to 250 ringgit. Now, let's go to the scenario why this could happen. Factor leading to a decrease in demand. Changes in consumer preference. If consumer become less interested in smartwatches or prefer alternative products, demand may be decreased. Second one, economic condition. A decline in consumer income or recession can lead to a decrease in demand for luxury or discretionary items like smartwatches. Furthermore, price of substitute. If the price of competing products like fitness tracking, smartphone with smartwatches features decreases, demand for smartwatches may be declined. So the last one is, so let's go for the last one. Price of complements. If the price of complementary goods like smartphone cases, smartwatches bands increase, demand for smartwatches may be declined. In conclusion, the price elasticity of supply for smartwatches in this scenario is highly elastic. This means that the tech company has a high degree of control over its production levels and can respond effectively to changes in market demand, even in the face of adverse conditions. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum to Madam Rozia. My name is Muhammad Akil Aliuddin from DIB 1C. So I want to discuss about income elasticity of demand. We have 3 questions of it, so let's begin. So firstly, the question is discuss the implication of the statement above. So the statement above is luxury goods typically have an income elasticity of demand YED greater than 1. YED greater than 1 implies that the product is a luxury good. This means that as consumer income increase, the demand for luxury goods increase at a proportionally higher rate. For example, if income rise by 10%, the quantity demand for a luxury good might rise by more than 10%. Luxury goods are typically non-essential, and demand for them is more sensitive to income change compared to necessity goods, which have a YED of less than 1. Question 2. Calculation of income elasticity of demand. So given Ali's incomes decrease from 19,000 ringgit to 16,000 ringgit, his demand for the product increased from 8 units to 6 units. So the formula we use for income elasticity of demand YED is like this. Step 1, you must to calculate the percentage change in quantity demand. So after we calculate of the quantity demand, we go to step 2 to calculate the percentage change in income. So we can proceed to step 3 is calculate YED. So we calculate YED using the method that I have give before. So that's the answer for question number 2. For the question number 3, identify the type of product. So based on the YED of 0.75, this indicates that the product is a normal good, but not a luxury good. So if we do a graph, the graph will become like this. Okay, the income's elasticity of demand for a normal good. As incomes decrease from 19,000 to 16,000 ringgit, the quantity demand decreased from 8 units to 6 units. The positive slope drop less than proportional confirms that this product has an income elasticity of demand of 0.75, indicating it is a normal good. This reflects the typical behavior of a necessity good, where demand change at a slower rate than change in income. That's all. Thank you for watching.